Hello students. So today again here I am with two problems on projection of a straight line. Earlier we have already solved two different type of problems. Again these two problems are from the Andy Burt exercise. Now problem number 4th and 5th. Earlier we have solved problem number 2nd and 3rd. So look at the first problem. The problem number 4, that will be, they are saying that top view of a 75 mm long line measures 55 mm. What they are saying, that a line whose true length will be 75 mm, its top view measures 55. The line is in the VP and its one end being 25 mm above the HP. Draw its projection and find its inclination with the HP. As already I have discussed with you, that whenever we want to solve the problem of a straight line, initially we will plot the first point. So whatever the first point will be given to me, I will plot that. If the name is not given in the problem, then I will suppose my name of the line will be AB. So suppose again my line is AB, then the first end, look at this line. The line is in the VP, it means both the ends will be on the VP, A as well as B, and its one end being 25 mm above HP. It means the first point A will be 25 mm above HP and on the VP. So I will start with this point. This point will be on the HP and 25 mm above the, on the VP and 25 mm above the HP. So I will start with this line, this point, and initially I will draw the first, that is our reference line XY. After XY, I will plot the first point in the VP. In the VP means top view will be on the reference line 25 mm above. So this is point small a, and this is point small a dash, and this distance will be 25. So this way I have plotted the first point. Then they are saying the line in the VP. If the line is in the VP, then its top view will be on the reference line, and in the VP, so front view will show the true length, and this is the true length of the line, and also the top view will be also given to me. They are saying the length of the top view will be 55. So easily I can plot initially the top view that will be on the reference line, and that will be equals to 55 mm. So 55 from this will be the point small b. So we got the top view. So this time we have directly got top view first, 55 mm. Now if this is the point B, then on the projector of this point we will get the point B dash, and the distance of B dash from the A dash will be equals to 75. So if I am going to cut, take an arc and cut this, it like this, then you get the point that will be B dash, and join this A dash with B dash. This is the line. So this is the line 75 mm long. This is front view, and this is the inclination theta with HP. You can easily calculate this angle. So this is a line which is on the VP and inclined to HP by some angle theta degree. See, another one more problem is there. This time they are saying the front view of a line inclined at 30 degree to the VP is 65. Suppose again the name of the line will be AB, then its front view means A dash B dash will be equals to 60 mm. This time the true length of the line is not given to me. They are saying the front view of a line is 65 mm, and this line will be inclined to HP by 30 degree. It means theta will be given, that is 30 degree. And also they are saying draw its projection when it is parallel to and 40 mm above HP. Parallel to HP, it means it will show its true length in top view. So but the top view will be, true length is not given to me. Its one end being 30 mm in front of the VP. 30 mm in front of the VP means 30 mm below the reference line. So if I want to plot this line, then initially I will draw the XY line again. We should start with XY. Now the first point, that is 40 millimeter above the HP. They are saying the line is parallel and 40 millimeter above. So go upside 40 millimeter above, we will get the point A dash, and from this A dash go downside 30 mm, you can get the point small a. So this is the first point, 40 and 30. Now as you know that line is parallel to HP, so front view will be parallel to XY, and that length will be given to me, that length will be 65. So 65, from this will be the point B dash. This is given in the problem, A dash, B dash. So directly we can plot this time the front view, 65 mm. Now if this is B dash, then B must lie on its projector, so drop a projector, and the line will be inclined 30 to VP. 30 to VP means the top view will make an angle of 30 degree with the reference line. So draw a line 30 degree incline from this, and this angle will be this time 30 degree, where it is going to cut this projector, that is the point small b. So this is a line which is inclined to VP and parallel to HP, but this time true length is not given. You can find out from this, measure this length, this is the true length AB, and show the value of AB. Okay, I hope that you can understand these two problems, and thank you very much. Thank you.